avocado with shrimps, parmesan and orange sauce. One portion of this amazing salad contains 350 calories. For 2 portions of this salad, we need 1 avocado, mixed salad, Romano salad, 250 grams of shrimps, 50 grams of parmesan, and for the dressing, 2 tablespoons of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 cloves of garlic, 130 grams of seeds, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, pepper, and salt. Boil the water in the pot. Put the frozen shrimps to the bowl and pour it with hot water. Leave for 1–2 minutes and drain the water. Peel the garlic. And cut it thinly. Put the pan on fire, add olive oil, and fry the garlic for 1 minute. Add the shrimps to the garlic. Fry it, constantly stirring around 5 minutes. Cut avocado. Peel it totally. Serve the salad mix on the plates. Add Romano salad. Cut avocado into slices and add to the greens. Spread the shrimps on plates. Let's make the dressing. Squeeze orange to the cup. Squeeze lemon. Add mustard, pepper, salt, add olive oil, and mix all. Season with the dressing. Add the parmesan cheese, and the seeds on the top. Enjoy it. Bon appétit! Avocado with beetroot, apple, and mustard sauce. One portion of this healthy and light salad contains just 180 calories. For 2 portions of this salad, we need 1 avocado, 2 small beetroots, 1 big apple, and for the dressing, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of grainy mustard, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, dry mix of herbs, pepper and salt. Put to cook the beetroot. Cook around half an hour until it becomes soft inside. Peel the beetroot. Cut it on small cubes. Serve on the dishes. Cut the apple on small cubes as well. Add to the beetroot. Open avocado. And cut it on cubes too. Serve on the dishes. Let's make the dressing. Put mustard to the cup. Add honey. Herbs, pepper, salt, lemon juice, and mix it all. Add olive oil. And mix well. Dressing is ready. Put the dressing on top of the salad. Enjoy it. Bon appétit!